Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt. That's
In
Tom.
today's episode, we're talking about another Jack Daniel's product. This is the new Triple Mash. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, you want to tell me a little bit more about this particular new Jack Daniel's product?
Here we go. The new Triple Mash here from Jack Daniel's. Once again, it is a bottled and bond product, which is very nice. One distiller, one season, at least 4 years old in a government bonded warehouse. Like some of their first new products I've had in a long time, which is really cool about this one. That is a blend. It's a straight blended bonded whiskey. So they took each of their 3 different products. They took the rye, the regular Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey, and their American Malt, which will actually be this year's special release, which I'm very much looking forward to, is for the first time an American single malt, 100% barley from Jack Daniel's. That's this year's special release. I'm very much looking forward to that. All right, so the mash, so it's made up of each of these. So the mash bill and the rye, which is their standard rye, which is their 7% rye, 18% corn, 12 barley, which makes up 60% of this. And then the 20% is their American malt, which is, of course, 100% barley. And the other 20% is Jack Daniel's standard Tennessee whiskey with the 80% corn, 12 barley, 8 rye. So that takes up the 100% of this. So let's see what we think of this new bottled and bond triple mash from Jack Daniel's. It smells like Jack Daniel's.
It doesn't. I'm not getting predominantly rye.
No, which is funny considering that 6% of this is rye. Now, granted, Jack Daniel's, we've reviewed the cask strength rye. When do you review the regular rye? I have it somewhere, I think, in the other room. We'll have to review that at some point just so we can get a base knowledge for it because I don't think I really have it. All right, so again,
this still smells corn dominant. I'm getting that dusty barnyard hay that I typically associate with corn whiskey.
Yeah, and I still get that banana note that I always get on Jack Daniel's products.
Yeah, vanilla, you get that banana, you get that runt note, right?
Absolutely. That banana, toffee, vanilla, that maple candies. Of course, all this still goes to the typical, maple charcoal Lincoln process. So
see, to me, this one gives me more of a banana nut bread with that cinnamon topping and
totally. Yeah, it's got a nice toasted bread, more oak and barrel char on this one. A little bit of honey, like I said, cinnamon. But it smells really nice. Got a lot of baking spices. A little nutmeg.
To me, the leather notes, the saddle, the kind of the horse dust.
Definitely that cracked brown earth. Nice like desert. Yeah, like you said, barnyard hay and all that stuff. Dry horsehair.
Yeah, I'm getting good. Like you slapped a horse butt right after a good ride.
Totally.
That dust just kind of flies off. And
That's exactly what I think of when I nose this. Yeah, it smells nice. I like that. All right.
I like it.
Same thing.
A lot more rye on the palate.
Yeah, still that heavy red banana note though. Burnt toast, a little bit of orange now, vanilla, same thing, maple candies. Even heavier barrel char, I'd say, is on the palate than there is on the nose.
I agree. The rye note, almost just like that black pepper note, gets kind of cranked up to 10.
Yeah,
very, very heavy into that direction. I don't hate that.
I like that.
I dislike that. But it's very much cranked up to 10 on that black pepper note.
Mulled spices in there.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. This would be a good winter. I think it'd be a good winter whiskey.
I was thinking the same thing, like that fall kind of cinnamon spice kind of vibe going on with it.
By the bonfire. Oh, yeah. Speaking of, this is down to a 700 milliliter bottle, like the other Jack Daniel's bottle is as well. So that's the new standard. I'm going to see this a lot of American whiskey. I think I'm going to go to 700 because, especially with the glass shortage, it's just easier to make one bottle for the whole world than it is to make 2 sides that are 50 ml different.
Yeah, so, I don't fault them on it. I understand exactly where they're coming from, especially if they're doing a lot of export like Jack is.
Exactly. It's a business decision, and it's probably the right one to make. I mean, if I owned them, that's what I would do. Be silly not to.
In Europe, you can't sell anything above 70 CL, right?
I don't know. I guess I've never – because there's big stuff you find usually from the islands that are bigger. I don't know. It's a good question. We have to ask someone that would know the answer. I don't know the answer to that. It's a good question.
If you do, put it in the chat. If you're watching and put it in the chat.
I'd like to know the answer.
We like to learn things.
Absolutely. Speaking of things, if you guys want to go back and watch the Kilo one that we just had on there from Ireland, that was an awesome, fun stream. Did you get your chance to try that at all yet, Will? That Kilo
I
one I
haven't
dropped
yet.
off?
I'm going to watch the stream and try it today.
Perfect. Yeah, this is really good. I like this a lot. I like these new things that are coming from Jack Daniels that, the same stuff for forever, basically, from Jack Daniels. And in the last, 5 years or so, they've really innovated. They've made a lot of exciting changes, I think, in Jack Daniels. And for me, changed my mind on Jack Daniels, trying all these new things with them. So I like it. Especially, it's like $27. It's cheap.
Well,
it's
I've
good.
always been a fan of this guy, the Jack Daniel's single barrel proof.
Oh, that's true. I think we've all loved that one forever.
That's always been a favorite of mine.
We
But
still need
I'm
to
actually
review
very
one of
interested to
those.
see what my father-in-law thinks of this one. He really enjoyed the new Bonded.
Oh, good. So I think we both did.
But I'm excited. I'm going to take this over to him and see how he feels about this rye heavy blend.
Awesome. Well, like I said, I think it's a good pickup. Another great addition to their lineup. That's a new standard part of their lineup. So great things are happening at Jack Daniels. That's for sure.
Yeah, indeed. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Until next time, keep on crusading for better whiskey in your glass. Cheers.
Yeah, I saved this for next week. Octomore 8.1.
Ooh.
Yeah, I know. We got to do that. We got a sample of it, so we got to review it. I want to get rid of it.
Is that what we're reviewing next? No,
not today. For next Sunday, we're going to do that one. Give you something to look forward to. I know. Yeah, I'll probably put some heavy peat shit in there next weekend. All right, next we're doing Balcones rye.